And weather-wise, we have a weather impact alert for late tonight. So after about sunset, we'll see a redevelopment of scattered showers and a few thunderstorms in the area through the overnight. So through Thursday morning, we may see a couple of localized heavy downpours that could result in some street flooding, not everywhere, but of course in flood-prone neighborhoods, poor drainage areas. The areas around San Antonio that can see flooding in just about 1 inch to 2 inches of rain in a fast amount of time. That's what we're worried about in the next 24 hours. So again, this evening into early tomorrow morning, another threat of seeing another wave of rain move through. Right now it's dry. It's mostly cloudy temperature-wise. 81 at Stinson, a little cooler at the airport at 78. This is a byproduct of the cloud cover and the rain-cooled air. So this pattern, nice and more seasonal air. This past weekend, we were in the upper 90s. Now we're expecting upper 80s later on this afternoon. Right now, 78 at Helotes, 1 degree better at Bernie, 81 at Calaveras, 81 at Floresville, 79 at Hondo, 76 at Bandera. A lot cooler across the Texas Hill Country. Mid-70s right now in Kerrville and Fredericksburg, 81 at Del Rio and 77 at Kennedy. Okay, radar. It's dry right now. There is maybe a few sprinkles out near Kerr County and Gillespie County, but nothing organized in our area right now. The same wave of rain that moved through overnight in our area is now moving through southeast Texas. Lots of heavy rain, lightning, thunder towards Houston and towards Lake Charles. This was round 2 of the heavy rain moving through south central Texas. We'll see another round later on tonight. How much rain fell last night into this morning? Now, the east side of Bexar County didn't see too much, maybe 1/10 to 1/4 on East Bexar County towards Lavernia and St. Hedwig area. But anywhere along the 281 corridor pointing west, maybe 1 to 2 inches of rain from late last night. The big winners, northern Medina County, just west of Medina Lake. Pretty good rain, right? 3 to 4 inches of rain towards Bandera County. Same thing. Parts of Kendall and Kerr County, similar numbers. 2 to 3 inches of rain near Fredericksburg and a lot more towards Camp Wood, a bullseye of about 4 to 5 inches of rain. Okay, I do want to mention this really quickly. I rewind the clock, and late last night we saw some wind damage around midnight. So let's rewind it all the way towards right about here, about 12:24. This is a radar signature we call a bow echo. It represents a bow and arrow, but on radar, that's indicating strong, damaging wind gusts at the surface. And we saw several wind reports of 60, 70 mile an hour winds near Sabinal and down Highway 90 towards Uvalde. Tonight's forecast, a severe weather risk, a slight risk, same thing for Thursday, marginal. Very quickly, hour by hour, shows you what we're expecting after about sunset, a redevelopment of scattered thunderstorms. And if they develop over the same area for a few hours, that means precip rates 3 to 4 inches in some localized areas on top of what we already received. So street flooding, definitely a possibility in this forecast. So we're going to watch that very closely. All right, here's your 14-day outlook. 89 today, 89 tomorrow. Rain, cool air, and cloud cover does help a little bit. This weekend, mid-90s, partly cloudy and mostly sunny. And next week, very similar, but an alert set for tonight and tomorrow for additional rain and some street flooding is certainly possible. We'll be right back.